to your News in 90. I'm Maria Gramudis.
And I'm Jack Walter. In energy news, 11 school buildings in the EAIS member districts have received the benefit of a virus transmission reduction study, thanks to a partnership between EAIS, Alliant Energy, and Michaels Energy. These important studies will continue until all EAIS members have received the assistance they need.
In radon news, wow, EAIS recently ordered 1,700 radon test kits for schools participating in our school radon training and support system. That is more kits than we've ever ordered during our 6 years of helping schools prevent lung cancer. Thank you for your dedication to the safety of Iowa students and school staff. In member news, the holiday season is upon us, and
we wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Here's to a great new year of providing support that saves energy, budget, and lives.
That's your News in 90 from CCHS and Energy Association of Iowa Schools. Have a great day, everyone.